Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are discussing chapter number 5, the last chapter of this book, and the last topic is creating tables. Before going into details of tables, I want to explain different components of the tables. Let's see, suppose this is a table, right? And these are called columns and these are called rows. So this is a table which has 3 columns and 3 rows. Okay. Now we can discuss the table attribute of HTML. This is not an attribute, this is actually a table tag. In HTML, a table is defined with the table tag. Each table row is defined with the tr tag. A table header is defined with the th tag. Whatever you will write in table heading, it will be slightly bold as compared to the table row and table data. And whatever you want to enter in a row, you will give another attribute or a tag that is called table data or td. Now see the use of these 3 tags. You can see that we have written here table, then table row. Table row means we are going to write this one. First you are telling that I am entering row 1. Row 1 is always a heading. So heading is slightly bold as compared to the data, right? You can see this. Now once you have given here THH means heading, so computer knows automatically that it will be slightly bold. TH first name, closing tag, last name, closing tag, and TH age, closing tag. So these 3 headings we have given, and we will close the first row. Closing tag is there. Now enter the data for the second row. TD. TD means that was HH for heading, D for data. Now you want to fill these. Ali will be given there, TD closed. TD Ahmad is there, and then 50 is there. Again close the row. Third row we are going to make. This is TD Usman is there, TD Ali is there, and TD 60 is there. Close this one row as well, and close the closing tag of the table. Now there are 2 important attributes of table tag, call span, and the other one is your row span. To make a cell span more than one call span means column span attribute is used. Table row, th means heading, name, close it. Then the next you want to give, this is here. Now the telephone you want to give, and you want to again split it into 2 columns, right? So we will write here th call span, column span is equal to 2 means divided into further 2, and its name is telephone and closing heading, right? Now computer knows in it here it will not give a line. Okay, now tell me one thing more. In some browsers these external lines and internal lines of the table will not be displayed, but in some browsers these will be displayed. Whatever the browser is, the line will not be displayed here because this is the heading area. It will be given here where the data will be started. Now see TD Ali Ahmad, TD closed. This is second row. Okay, Ali Ahmad is there. Now TD, this number is written, number is displayed here. Again TD table data, and it is there. Okay, and close the closing tag and table closed. Now the other attribute of it was, first we have done column span, now row span. It will divide the row into 2 columns, into 2, again further divide it into 2 rows, a single row in a further 2 rows, right? Like this is single row, and further it is divided into 2 rows. Name same. First we have given table tag, table row, table heading is there, then enter the data with it. Closing tag, then starting tag of the another row span, then 2, that further divided into 2, telephone number, and this is the heading. Now you want to enter the data TD, this one will be displayed, close it. Again give table row, another row will be created here, and data will be displayed like this. Now activity 5.6 and 5.7 are given. These are based on these column row and column row span and row span, so you can do the practice of it.